Hi everyone, welcome back to Physics 263 Astronomy. This is section 14, where we're going to be continuing essentially what we covered in section 13 and now focus on galaxy formation and evolution, but over the last 11 billion years. These are some of the topics that we're going to cover. We'll start by looking at a global picture of how galaxies look like at the peak activity of galaxy formation and evolution. We'll see how we've measured this global decline of star formation activity in the universe as a whole and try to understand what is causing it. And then we'll move to some really important physical processes that essentially determine how galaxies form and especially how they evolve, which have to do with feedback from star formation and mostly in the form of supernova winds and also AGN. And we'll see how the energy released by this phenomena can actually lead to self-regulation or even to galaxies completely stopping forming stars. Understanding feedback really allows you to understand that galaxies are very nonlinear systems, and then many times they look like living systems in the way they self-regulate. And all of this has to do with how they get the gas from the cosmic web, how they consume it, and how they drive outflows. Finally, we'll see how environment also really matters in terms of understanding how galaxies form and evolve on top of any internal processes. In section 14, we'll be focusing on galaxy formation and evolution, but mostly on evolution. In section 13, we focus on these first sort of 1 billion year of cosmic evolution. And now in section 14, we're going to look at what happened ever since the formation of the first galaxies and how they have evolved essentially until the present day. We'll be focusing on how we were able to figure out a lot of the processes, what we can actually observe, and also the questions that remain open and that are really exciting.